Good afternoon everybody, welcome to Kingsbridge Automotive. Just thought I'd share a new bit of stock that we have in for you. She is an Audi A5. Now what's very rare about this one is she's a Vorsprung. Now the majority of Audi A5s that have been bought over the last few years will be black editions, will be S lines. So to get the highest level of trim would be to get the Vorsprung. Done just shy of 40,000 miles, 2 owners from new. She has full Audi service history, last done February 26, so all bang up to date. Mick off back. Now with the Vorsprung, you get your adaptive cruise control. You get one of the very rare options that no one really spec'd, because the pan roof, that comes as standard. You also get inside the Bang & Olufsen sound system. You get massage seats. You also get head-up display. A lovely car throughout. Rear seats don't look like they've been sat in. There's that pan roof. Another nice feature of this one is not only do you get the rear camera, you get the full 360-degree camera also. As I mentioned before, the adaptive cruise control, your head-up display settings. Just turn you off. Your Bang & Olufsen full leather interior, wireless charging. It's a real surround system coming all the way through. So here at Kingsbridge we can do PPF, we can do your finance options for you as well. We also do ceramic coatings, which I would always suggest on a black car. It does include a full 2-stage paint correction. The guys here, we spend a day making sure it looks as good as it possibly can. Thanks for your time today. Book an appointment, give us a call, come on down.